spelling.
Hello. Let's go through your spelling words this week. Grade 3, Unit 4. This week we're looking at the ow sound and the oi sound. Number 1. Proud. Proud. I am proud of myself for getting an A on the test. Proud. Number 2. Boil. Boil. Water will boil when it gets very hot. Boil. Number 3. Loud. Loud. The music was too loud for my ears. Loud. Number 4. House. House. The Carters live in a large house. Number 5. Join. Join. Roberto wants to join the Boy Scouts. Join. Number 6. Cloud. Cloud. We saw a dark cloud in the sky. Cloud. Number 7. Sound. Sound. The loud ringing sound made me jump. Sound. Number 8. Voice. Voice. The singer had a beautiful voice. Voice. Number 9. Oil. Oil. French fries are potatoes fried in oil. Oil. Number 10. Round. Round. Pour the cake batter into the round pan. Round. Number 11. Point. Point. Please sharpen the point of this pencil. Point. Number 12. South. South. North is the opposite of south. South. 13. Found. Found. Tamika found her lost money. Found. Number 14. Soil. Soil. Some plants need rich soil to grow. Soil. Number 15. Ground. Ground. It is hard to dig in the frozen ground. Ground. Number 16. Listen to these two words. Choose the correct spelling. Choice. Choice. Noise. Noise. Choice. noise. Thank you.